Hello, real estate studs and studettes. This is David McCullough with your Information Security Technology class and Agent Protection. This is a quick video on how to get to some of our products, to our websites, and to the videos that we talked about in class. So I'll make this short and sweet. We have an Agent Protection website. It looks like this over here. However, it's been a bit clunky and we've added a lot of stuff to it, so we're getting it revamped. You can find links here to the various products and services up here. You can also see upcoming workshops that we're doing. But we're going to be rebuilding this, making it much better than it is currently. So for that reason, I'm going to jump back to the previous tab. This is my personal real estate website that I created. And it's NOCOrealestatenews.com for Northern Colorado realestatenews.com. And this is a place that I decided to host some of the videos and links in the meantime, in case our site gets broken and that sort of thing. People can't get what they're looking for. So what we'll do is just show you right now where these are at. A lot of the stuff is for buyers and sellers and whatnot, but over here there's a broker and agent link. And forgive me if I'm having a little issue with my sinuses today, so it's a lot of sneezing and whatnot. I'll try to edit that out if it happens. But let's see, down here in brokers agents, we have an information security training page. That's more for brokers, those of you who might want to schedule some training. Tells you a little bit about us and what we've been doing. I'm going to skip that one for now and show you information security technology for real estate agents. This will give you the links to the products that I've talked about in class and discount codes and so forth. So there's a table down here and it shows you all the different categories and the various product links to the websites where you can purchase those at the discounted rates and negotiated contracts that we've gotten with these guys. So for instance, we've got Pine Cove Consulting for the Sophos endpoint security for all your devices. Here's I Defend Personal and Business for your your identity theft service, much like LifeLock, but we believe is better for you, and we've negotiated a killer price on. Then here's Virtru for your secure email, and so on. So just look at those, go click through those, find them. The only one that I didn't talk about in class is down here. It's called Epic Privacy Browser. This is more of just something if you prefer not to be tracked where you're going, what you're doing on the internet, this browser can actually help with that. So to some extent, it fits right in with everything else we're doing. It's free. It's open source, they call it. So it's not a company trying to sell you anything. They're just a project that some people put together, and you can download it and use it for free. Okay, and then down here at the end is the information security website, Agent Protection. Tom started this years ago. It's kind of what we've been building on lately, but of course things are heating up quite a bit with classes, product services. Things are really getting a little out of hand, so we're going to be migrating stuff to a new website. And then down here, I talked about the new smart card in the last class I was in Casper. And I'm telling you what, if you haven't, some of you guys didn't see this up here in Wyoming in our last tour. And so I want you to take a look at this. The coolest thing ever I've seen in a long time. It's a smart card. It's a single credit card sized card. It's really a computer in a card. And it will replace all of your other cards. Debit, credit, loyalty, even room hotel key cards. They're even looking into driver's licenses. So this is like uber cool to me. I'm a geek, so that's something I'm really excited about. But you can read through this a little bit and see a little bit about it. We've created a form down here. If you want to know more about it, you can go down here and look at that. I've also got another website, which I'll pull up. Just messing around with this right now. But if you go to incredicard.net, INCREDICR. So it's like almost like Incredible Credit Card or something. I thought I was being clever. Anyway, incredicard.net, and that will send you to this website. And it's a very quick rundown on what exactly we're doing here. So you can click at the links here, and it talks about it in a very short, concise way and tells you when it's available. And there's a couple of forms depending on whether you want to know about it now or when it's actually going to be released next year. Okay, so That's a cool thing. That's the links under broker agents for the videos. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get to the videos. Those were the tools. Next link down is for the videos. And this is the page where you can find all the videos that I promised you in class. So find your operating system version, turn on Windows updates, so forth, backup and recover, all that stuff, BitLocker, all those videos. So I've got most of them on here. I got a few more to do, but I'll have those on there for too long. That's where you guys can go step by step, pause and play, and get those things all done that we talked about in class. So that's where you'll find those things for now. A quick intro to some of the products and services that we talk about in class, just so you know what they look like on the websites. One of them is iDefend Family and Business has a separate website. For those of you in business, you may want to do the business version of it. It has much more in terms of protection for your business side. But if you just want it for your family, this is a LifeLock type product, but it's way better in our opinion. And we've negotiated a great price for you at $9.95 a month, and that's about 50% off of what it was prior to that. So you can find those links back here at my website. I'll just show you quickly. The ID theft right here is personal and business. Okay, so back to this. That's what it looks like. Then you go to Pine Cove Consulting. That's also in the list of links. This will set you up to download your products for the Sophos Endpoint Security for all your devices, which is the anti-malware package. And I want to show you how that looks when it comes to you. Once you pay for it, let me jump back here and show you where the pricing is. The pricing is at the bottom. And there's one thing I should mention here. So there's three levels of this. One includes some identity theft consulting services, which you get these three items up here. The other row or column here, is the actual Sophos Endpoint Security product. That's $8.95 a month. This is $5.95. And for both, you get $12.95 a month, which is $2 off, I believe. You get all of those services. So whichever one you like is fine, but it's $5, $8, and $12.95. So if you click on the link, I think we need to make some changes here, but for now, this is the way the shopping cart works at the moment. This is defaults to $12.95. So if you only want the Pine Cove, you want to put in $8.95 there. Well, not $5.95. I mean, we'd love you to pay us that, but $8.95 a month, and then just fill in the rest of the information and process it. And we'll know which one you're asking for based on the price. So it's a little confusing. It should probably have a drop down here or something like that. At any rate, that's what you do there to let us know which one you want, which part or level of service you want there. And then when you do sign up for that, you'll get a couple of emails. One is this one that shows you how to install. And there's a couple of simple links for your Mac or your Windows machine here. Those are very simple, and they should sort of automatically download and start installation and things like that. But if that doesn't work, there's a couple of links here that you can try as well. You may have to download these and even, I can't remember if you have to unzip them or whatever, but it'll take you through it. And if you might even need to copy this and paste it into your browser if it doesn't work, just clicking on it. So there's a few different ways you can get going on your laptops and desktops. Then there's another email here that comes for your mobile devices. Your options here are, if you are on your mobile device, you can just click the link here in the text. If you're on your computer, you can use this QR code, scan it with your phone or tablet, and this will take you to the same place and help you with the installation. If you don't have a QR code reader, just go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store and type that in, QR reader, and it will give you lots of choices. You can download one and use that. Then, if that doesn't work, there's a manual set up down here. And we told you it was going to be simple, so I hope this isn't something you need to do. But if for some reason it is, we're going to also post a link for some help desk assistance with that if you have any trouble installing it. But it's very easy. It takes a few minutes. It's not a simple procedure once it gets rolling, so be patient with it. But it's because it's really digging into your system and securing everything it can. This is not a toy. This is big business software here, so give it the time it needs. All right, so that's that. A couple other links I want to show you is this is the Google Play Store. This is the Sophos mobile control app that will be downloaded onto your Android phone, and there's a similar one for iPhone. You can see this is installed on my phone, so I do use my products. It's not just me telling you to drive a Ford when I drive a Chevy. And then up here on this other link, this is a link that if you do end up doing some configuring for your phone app, you may see this screen. That's legit. Go ahead and just click on the button if you happen to see it pop up in the process of doing this stuff here on the mobile app email page. Okay, I believe that's all I wanted to show you. Quick recap. NocoRealEstateNews.com, broker agent tab, and a few links here, including your how-to videos on this one. Then we've got agentprotection.com. A lot of good information there, and the ability to purchase products is there as well. This is my website for the card that I just threw together as a marketing piece, and you can look at that and sign up for future information when the card becomes available. Read up on that. This is the main piece right down here. And then, of course, your iDefend family, Pine Cove, mobile stuff, all that. So just wanted to point those things out to you guys. I'm going to do another video, I think, with some of this information, but go in a different direction with it. So hope that's all you need for now. Go out and list some houses, sell some houses, have some great holidays, because we're in November 16 right now. So thanks for connecting with us and letting us help you with your information security needs, guys. Thanks. Bye.